Use a trim tool to get behind this triangular plastic panel here. Just run it behind it, pry out gently, release that, set it aside. We use our trim tool on the inside and just going to pop out this little bucket right here. It's going to expose 2 Torx screws. Let's go ahead and loosen these. And then we'll go ahead and remove them. You go ahead and use your plastic trim tool. Let's pop out this unit right here. Work that up and out. On the back right here, you're going to have your power mirror switch. Let's go ahead and start by disconnecting that connector there. On the bottom side, there's just a little spring clip. Just going to push in on that little button here. Now go ahead and we could just wiggle this here and pop this switch out. Now with our switch release, we're going to use our little flathead pocket screwdriver here. I'm going to press down on this little tab and pull the connector off the back side of it. Take the new switch, line up your connector, push it on. You'll feel and hear the audible click. There's 4 little tabs, 2 on each side of this here, that will line up with your trim bezel right here. Simply line this up, push it through, and you'll hear that click into place. Let's go ahead and line this up. On the top of your trim bezel, you want to insert the top of this down and into the panel. Push it forward. Pop this in. Now that your trim bezel is installed, let's go ahead and get our screws started in here. And we'll go ahead and snug these down. And once you feel that screw bottom out, go ahead and give that probably about another half a turn. Make sure those are nice and snug. Take your little rubber trim bucket here and pop that down inside. There you go. Line up your lock tabs with the notches in the door. Even pressure, snap that into place.